zaman now itu terserang penyakit yang namanya demam Korea. Mulai dari K-drama, terus lagi K-pop, boy band, girl band, Korean fashion, Korean makeup, dan yang nggak ketinggalan itu kita kids zaman now terobsesi dengan Korean food, ya kan? Tapi hari ini kita nggak bakalan ngomongin soal Korea-Koreaan, kita bakalan langsung tanya gimana sih yang orang Korea pikirin tentang kita, terutama tentang makanan Palembang. Penasaran ya gimana? Langsung aja kita undang teman-teman gue. Nah, hari ini sebelum kita mulai kenalan dulu. Bintang kita. Hai Bintang. Hai Tiara. Tiara. Grace. Now we are going to try some of Palembang food. Are you guys excited to try? Yes. Let's try. Bring it up. Mie telur. Mie telur. Smells so good. Right, let's try. Gonna try. Special is the soup here. The soup. Good. But also you may like there is bacon. Is it good? Try the soup. How do you think? Delicious. Yeah. Is it also something like this in Korea? Similar taste? No, or is this a new thing that you do? Something new. It is basically made from ebi. Ebi?
Oh, yeah.
Ebi stock.
몇 점을 줄래? 난 약간 깔끔한 스파게티 어때? 묻었어. 맞아. 맛있어. 몇 점 줄까? 근데 여기 좀 작은 거. 계란 맛? 8점? 나도 8점. 오케이.
Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Now time for them to discuss how much the score for Mie telur 1 to 10 you guys have to discuss. And the score for Mie telur is 1, 2, 3, 8. Mie telur 8.
이거 입에 들어가면 부드럽고 되게 맛있어요. 약간 감칠맛도 나고. 근데 저는 조금 짠 것 같아요. 그런데 짤 때 이 계란을 먹으면 괜찮은 것 같습니다.
저는 처음에는 스파게티 같았는데 계속 먹다 보니까 조금 감자수프 느낌도 나는 것 같았어요. 맛있어요.
저는 수프가 되게 인상적이었는데 맛이 되게 수프랑 감자랑 계란이랑 섞인 까르보나라 수프 맛이었어요. 맛있어요.
Model. The second food that we are going to try is model. Not model in the magazine, but it's model. It's basically like fish cake, but there are tofu, and also the soup is made from fish stock. So you may try. You may try. First we try without adding chili and also soy sauce. You ready first? The soup Is it good? Enak. In Korea, they have oden. Oden? Oden. Oden. Yeah. Similar taste like this. Oh. Soup and this kind of thing also. Yeah. It's all oden. Oden. And you eat this. Yeah. Without tofu. Okay, now we may add some soy sauce because it's not complete without the chili soy sauce. There. Okay. Yeah. Mix it. Mix. Spicy? Yeah. Okay, maybe we add little spicy, okay? This enough, I think? Yeah. Okay. You may mix it. Thank you. With the soup as well. Any different? Any different? This is more good. More good, right? You like it more this one. Because eating model without soy sauce is like something missing.
몇점 먹을래? 몇 점 근데 나는 완전 맛있어. 나도. 도적? 응, 나도. 아, 진짜? 근데 이것만 말하면 이것만 말하면 여기서 먹는 거. 이거만. 얘만. 그거하지 말고. 그럼 나 도적? 그러면은 살짝 좋아.
So, you already got the score?
Yeah.
Yeah? And the score for model is 1, 2, 3. Next one. Pempek. And we come to the top of the king food of Palembang. Pempek! He's so excited! Pempek, look over here, close the camera. Start from this is a grilled pempek. And inside that there is ebi and also soy sauce. And this one is pempek telur. It is also pempek, but inside is there is egg, and there is pempek kulit, which is made from fish skin. And this one is also pempek, but it is not fried or toasted. It is boiled. So shall we try? Yay. Yes. Lastly, eating pempek without chuka. Can you say chuko? Chuko. Haha, chuko. No, here it is. Chuko is like spicy. It's enough, right? Yeah. It's enough. Great. Now you may try. Terima kasih. How does it taste? Pempek panggang? Sorry. You so enjoy that. Maybe you want to try otak-otak? This is a pempek family. Basically, they are fish cake, but there are a lot of variations.
Inside this pempek, what is it inside?
Ebi. And soy sauce. And ebi.
What is it?
Mochi. Does it taste weird?
It's
Fish. Fishy.
Fishy.
Just open it and look. I will just bite.
Okay. This is so good. You say you will try this. Can you like divide it by YouTube so you can taste pasta? If I open otak-otak restaurant in Korea, will the people like it? Iya. Pempek. Wah, kalau buka toko pempek di Korea pasti laku. Itu kata mereka loh.
이거 더 셋이다.
Bagi dua nih karena
거꾸로 이렇게.
it's okay. Okay, it's with
진짜 맛있어.
otak-otak. Is it better? Right?
I like this better.
How about the chuko? Chuko? You like chuko? Like, what do you think when you first try chuko? Is it like match when it mixed with pempek in your opinion?
달다가 뭐죠? First it was a bit sweet, so I feel strange. But after eating several times, I think it's very matching.
Oh, jadi makan chuko pakai pempek tuh cocok katanya loh. Oke, berikutnya ini pempek ikan. It's boiled. See, can you feel it still like hot? May I also try? This is grilled and that is boiled. Boiled version.
어, 이거.
Oh, the taste. Can you maybe bite it and I will try how?
Show the camera.
Yeah. Wow. So, yeah, it's so soft inside.
I like it.
Right? Pempek ikan. This is the best overall. This is boiled. Okay. Now time for you to discuss and elaborate your idea and giving the score for pempek and overall. Okay? 1, 2, 3. You may.
나 근데 나 이게 제일 맛있어.
나는
이거? 됐어?
뺑뺑텔로.
아, 뺑뺑벨로? 난
이거 맛있더라.
나 보일드.
근데 뱀뱀은 원래 자체도 맛있는 것 같아.
그럼 뺑뺑 얼마 그냥 나도 힘들죠. Very dark.
You got the score?
Yeah.
And the score for pempek is 1, 2, 3. Gue tahu orang bakalan buka toko pempek karena orang Korea suka sama pempek. Okay, after this we have traditional drink from Indonesia. Yeah, not from Palembang actually. It's popular across Indonesia. And are you guys still thirsty? Yeah. Right. So here it is. You may try. This is called cendol. Cendol. Yeah, cendol. So it's like coconut water, coconut, and then they also with caramel sugar, brown sugar, and then it mixed with jelly. Apa sih bahasa Inggris? Cendol, rice jelly. Yeah, rice jelly. Yay. So, are you excited? Yeah. Go.
Kind of an ice cake.
Yeah, all together until it mixes well. Then you will try all the cakes all together. First, maybe you try how the water tastes. combination. Try to describe a little bit about it.
This is so good. Just like sweet, but not that sweet.
Not that sweet.
And then like smells like some coffee smell. So I think this is so good.
What about the rice jelly?
For me, this is weird.
A little bit weird.
This is very good match.
Good
with the-
match.
Yeah.
What about Tiara?
I like it. Yeah, I was also still weird about this jelly, but after I eat this,
Together?
it doesn't feel like a real jelly. It feels like real rice.
Yeah.
I like it.
What about Grace?
For me, the drink kind of similar to in Korea Tuyu.
Oh, oh, sama ada rasanya, ada kesamaan dengan minuman di Korea. Apa? What is the name?
Tuyu.
Tuyu.
Soybean.
Soybean.
Yeah, soya drink, but it's more sweet.
It's more
Yeah,
sweet.
it's more delicious than Tuyu. And personally, I don't like the jelly.
Okay.
Personally, but I like the drink.
Kalau Grace-nya agak kurang suka, katanya agak aneh gitu rasa cendol. Tapi teman-teman Tiara dan Bintang suka banget. Sama namanya cendol. Ya kan?
Yeah.
Alright. Do you like cendol so far?
Yeah.
Yes. Now you may discuss and giving the score for cendol. Let's start. Satu.
나 이거 같으면.
Satu langsung dong. You got it? Okay. You got it? Yeah. And the score for S channel is 1, 2, 3. Nine. So we love S cendol. If I sell S cendol in Korea, is it will be sold out? Would you legit?
I think some people like the cake light, some people won't like it.
Maybe we will remake. Yeah. Okay. All right. We come to the next round. Srikaya. Right. Just keep trying. Is it how was your impression?
I like it.
You like it? What about Tiara?
I like it now.
Is it your first time?
Every time.
First time.
Too manis.
2 months too sweet, terlalu manis. Because you already sweet with me. If I try this, it might be less sweet. Because I'm a little bit bitter of my life. My life is bitter. So, okay, this time for you to discuss. To giving the rating for Srikaya. Time is yours. Okay, you already got it. And the score for Srikaya is 1, 2, 3. Hey, 8. Nggak ada yang kurang dari 8. Dan yang paling tinggi, the highest score you give it for pempek, right? We give applause for pempek. It is true that everyone, when you come to Palembang, you must try pempek.
Yeah. Pempek. Enak sekali. You should try pempek. You should try.
Nah, itu dia tadi gimana yang teman-teman Korea pikirin tentang Indonesia. Jadi jangan terobsesi dulu buat nyobain-nyobain yang Korea. Kita harus bangga dulu terhadap makanan kita, makanan Indonesia, terutama Palembang punya, ya enggak? Right? Last from us, pempek lemaknya. Bye-bye.
Sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa.
Okay, thank you.
dancing, we dancing, we dancing, we dancing, we